All right, guys, I want to show you some more update on this theater room. So behind me, you can see there is the wall. This is the false wall that we had built. Now, on this false wall, this is where the James loudspeaker speakers are going. We have the beryllium speakers, the 806s going where these openings are. They had to be specific, so this wall had a lot of dimensions that we had to follow. So, because again, the speakers are going behind the screen. So these are 28 3/4 by 10 inches. And I'm gonna show you the back side so you can see kind of how we framed it. Because these speakers are so heavy, they don't have dog ears on them. They had to be screwed in, so it had to be framed out. But we needed them 10 inches wide versus your typical 14 or 16 on center studs with 14.5 in the middle. And then we have subs at the bottom. So they had to go one space inside. So let me show you the back side. Okay, so here's the back side. So here's our speaker. So we needed it about 3 inches from the edge. And then again, 10-inch space. Now the next space over right here, this is the one that's the 16 on center stud space. This is where the JO Audio sub with enclosure is going in this space. The sub will be at the bottom. Closure will go up about 59 inches, I believe. And then here's a center channel. Again, 10-inch space. It's framed out with wood at the top, bottom, and sides. And then our other speaker is over there. And then this right here, this space is where another sub is going to go. Again, an in-wall sub there. So pretty cool. So there's progress on the front wall, man. It's gonna be cool. So can't wait. And then in the back of the room, and that soffit, that's the next thing right there. We're gonna build out a soffit with the projector, and then down at the bottom where the equipment's gonna go, we're building up a platform so the rack can slide in and out. So there's more progress on this theater. Stay tuned.